Everybody, it's Cobbs. What do you do with your bananas when they get ripe like this, or what people call too ripe? Alright, watch the video, see what I do. What do you do when you want to save a banana that's almost too ripe? Well, first take off the skin, take off all the stringy stuff, got what's left is your banana, cut it down the middle, get you some of these little, I use these little bags like this. So your banana's nice and ripe and everything, so it's all ready to be used, and you just put it in here like this. Check it out. Zip lock it shut. Be a pain sometimes. And once you get the zip lock shut, guess what you do with it? You take your banana in your nice little package. You walk over here to your fridge like this. You throw it up here in the freezer and freeze it. Here's one I did 3 or 4 days ago. Look at it. Doesn't get any riper, and it's right there, frozen, ready for you to defrost it or unfreeze it or whatever you want to call. Can't even talk right here. And you know, thaw it out, use it, put it in a smoothie or whatever. Yes, you can freeze bananas. Do it after they're ripe though. Make sure they're all the way ripe. Make sure the skin looks, you know, like that. And take your banana after you do that. Cut it in half. Put that baby in the freezer. After you do that, put it in the bag. Put her in the freezer. She's all ready to make a smoothie out of it, or you can thaw it out, put it on the sandwich, or whatever you like to do with it. And you're not going to waste your bananas after they get ripe. There you go. Put it in the freezer. One more time. Put it in the freezer. Kaboom. You know, the other thing about this banana thing, I don't know, it's probably all over the internet already. Everybody probably already knows about it. But I noticed that once when I was at a Dairy Queen, the lady was taking the bananas out of the fridge, or out of the freezer, not the fridge, and she was using them for banana splits, and I'm just like, oh, she just took that banana out of a freezer. And I thought, oh, good idea. But I never even knew about it. I suppose everybody else already knows about it. But anyhow, I made this video anyhow for that. Anyhow, God bless. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Check out my other videos. And just have a great day. God bless. Catch you guys on the next one. It's another little tip what you can do with your bananas. That's what the Cobbs does. Thanks for watching again. And I'll be making some more videos. I got this pretty cool sandwich I'm going to be making probably on Sunday, and I'll put it on, and it'll be the first time I ever tasted it, and we'll see if it's any good. Yeah, this is Cobby out. Until next time, God bless. Thanks for watching. Hi everyone.